million, yeah.
Okay, okay.
You look very good, huh? Very nice.
That's cool. Okay.
What is
So yeah, I just arrived in this place. I don't know the name. It's written just there. It's a small little village and lots of fishermen. And you see these bowls. They use it's. I think it's for people who doesn't have enough money to buy a boat. So like this, they can just go around and with this and catch some fish. That's it. See you later.
Are you filming? Are you filming?
Yeah.
Really?
Have you something to say to my friends?
Your friends and your friends. We thankful to come over this pyramid.
Yeah, that's good. That's nice.
And I wish could visit Paris one time in my life.
Oh, you want to visit Paris?
Yeah.
That's cool.
How is it?
Ah, it's beautiful.
Beautiful.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
I love it.
Yes, guys, it's day 3. We're gonna continue the road for the coasts, along the coast. It's a beautiful day today. Hello. Hello. You can find a lot of like cows all along the roads.
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why? I'm
Yeah,
down,
so little
yeah.
update. I've just met on this random place, random road, a Lithuanian guy who told me that yeah, all along the coast is only big hotels. So yeah, just wanted to show you a bit more closer this beach. That is kind of beautiful, but it's very polluted by all these construction site things.
Just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't feel it up. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. It's something you get used to, yeah. Go blame the June blues, yeah. It's just the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to. Breaking news got me breaking. I was present, hopeless, praying. Struck down at 20.
It's beautiful. It's like a desert with some dunes everywhere. And on the other side, is the beach.
New age Machiavelli, disagree, don't tell me. Now you in infinity, we 98. Trust that he be good. On the ball like BB, don't make no mistakes. Got the faith. The 18 just not gonna be the same. Finna bleed down generations, not gonna be in vain. Too young.
Yeah, I just found a nice place where people are dancing. Hey, Marcel est avec moi. Marcel,
Ah.
donc t'as appris le français à
Oui.
Saigon?
À Saigon.
D'accord.
J'apprends le français depuis le maternel jusqu'à le baccalauréat.
D'accord.
Ah oui.
Parce que t'as été dans une école spéciale ou c'était tout le monde apprenait le français?
Ah oui.
Tout le monde
Ouais.
apprenait le français.
Ah non. Before 1975.
1975. Okay.
Many students
Yeah.
learn English, French.
Yeah.
Because l'influence de la France.
Yeah. Colony. They were in Vietnam. Yeah.
Ah oui.
Okay. Did you went to France?
No.
Never?
I never. Yeah.
Maybe one day.
Yeah.
You have time.
Empty stairs,
That's cool. You live here?
Yeah.
empty chairs.
C'est ma cousine.
Oh, cousin.
La maison à peu près 500 mètres. From here, yeah.
Okay.
You look very good. Very nice.
That's cool. Okay.
Where do you want to go?
I'm just wandering around.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Very
Meeting people like you.
Ah yeah.
I meet a lot of people in small towns because people are more open, have more time.
Ah yeah. You want to speak with many friends.
Yeah. I made a lot of friends. Yeah. Exactly. And I take my little camera
Yeah.
and I film all my trip. And after I do a film and I put it in YouTube. You know YouTube?
Yeah.
So that's a coffee place? No, a hairdresser.
Yeah.
Coiffeur. Coiffeur. You? Cut? You? Wow.
This is my farm.
Ah,
Yeah.
oh, okay. Nice to meet you. Hey, nothing, no.
Vợ tôi. Đây là bà con.
I have nothing to cut. Nothing. No.
Đâu có tóc em mà.
No. So you lived
You live
here?
there?
Here?
Yeah, live here.
What's the name of the city?
Bình Châu.
Bình Châu.
Bình Châu. Bình Châu.
Bình Châu.
Yeah.
So you lived here 10 years?
10 years ago, yeah.
Okay. And you don't want to go back to Saigon? Why?
Huh?
Why?
Because of the traffic.
Too much traffic.
Too much traffic.
Yeah. Too much noise, motorbike. Yeah.
Beaucoup de poussière.
Yeah. Dust. Yeah.
Beaucoup de bruit. And les gens de Saigon, hein?
Stress.
C'est pas comme autrefois.
Yeah. People are more stressed. Yeah, of course. It's like in big cities. In Paris, it's the same.
À Saigon, autrefois, les gens, c'est comme la France. On adore la civilisation française. C'est dans la rue, il y a un funéraille.
S'il y a une funéraille, oui, funéraille.
Stop. Les motos stop. On enlève le cabine.
Le chapeau, ouais. Pour montrer le respect. No more? No more. Too much traffic, too much... yeah.
Les gens ne sont pas civilisés.
Ah.
Ne sont pas intellectuels.
Ils sont pas intellectuels. Ouais. C'est beau.
Moi, j'étudie beaucoup.
Tu étudies beaucoup?
Yeah.
Tu lis?
Oui, je lis.
Qu'est-ce que tu es en train d'apprendre?
Comment?
Tu étudies quoi? Beaucoup de choses, différentes choses. Histoire, l'univers, les avions, les bateaux,
l'électricité, la physique.
la physique, waouh.
C'est que...
Tu es très inspirant.
Comment?
Tu es très inspirant.
Ah oui?
Ouais.
Peut-être.
Coming dots about the moon.
Hello, it's day 4. We're gonna go more in the middle of the country. Yeah, I think we've seen enough of fisherman's town. Let's go. So these are rubber. This is how they make rubber. So basically they cut the tree like this here with a big machete, and after they create kind of a canal, and then they use this and it goes here. I believe that these are maybe old scars. Yeah, you see. Yeah, here. Rice fields. Rice field is kind of the symbol of Vietnam. They produce huge tons of rice, and in the culture, rice really important. You eat it like nearly at every meal. So yeah, that's cool. So yeah, that's finished for the season. See you next time in another season. We're going maybe north this time to see the region of the mountains with Dalat, everything. It's beautiful. But yeah, thank you for watching. Leave a like, leave a comment, and thank you for your support. Bye bye.